This video steps through what's new in Sage MyAssistant version 22.1. Technology has changed the way we expect to receive information. We've become notification-centric, where things that we need to know are sent to us in small, easy-to-consume bites. To see this, look no further than your text messages or your inbox. Many Sage customers have leveraged MyAssistant to provide employees, vendors, and customers with automatic notifications when something may need their attention. However, there are many other things that can be done. In MyAssistant 22.1, a simplified task setup process can be used to automatically notify people of daily business activity, making you more efficient. First, let's see how to send time-sensitive notifications, like vendors with expiring insurance, costs entered to close jobs, or cash receipts received in the last 14 days, which will be our example. This process is now fewer steps. First, open a new task and tell MyAssistant that you want to send a list of notifications. Then, select what you want to send a list of. This could be a list of cost codes, vendors, AR cash receipts, or service work orders, almost anything in Sage. Next, pick either a pre-built condition or create a new condition to tell MyAssistant what to automatically notify someone of. Creating or customizing conditions with English-like statements is new in version 22.1. This is done by clicking on the Sage field and selecting what to use in your condition, then selecting a value to compare it to. You can add rows to your condition and choose another Sage field to use as well. Click on the operand on any row to choose how the Sage field and the value are compared. There are over 70 operands in MyAssistant 22.1, which make it easier to find exactly what you want to notify someone of. These operands let you check for situations like a date that's in the last specified days or in the next 30 days, job numbers that begin with, end with, or contain certain characters, amounts over a specified number or in a range of numbers. To complete this row of the condition, choose the value to check against based on the Sage field and the operand selected. You can add as many rows as you want to a condition, and you can click preview at any time to make sure you're getting the information you want. Next, choose when the task should automatically run. Now choose what Sage information is included in your list of notifications. Remove any columns you don't want and add columns from the list on the right. Once you've specified the information you want, add your recipients and a subject line before finishing the task. MyAssistant takes over from there and then automatically notifies people when the specified condition arises. Going forward, let your imagination go and think of all the little things you can use MyAssistant to inform someone of. MyAssistant 22.1 features an easier way to send things like AR aging, AP invoice register, or other Sage data in an Excel format. Start by opening a new task and telling MyAssistant that you want to send a spreadsheet. Then, select what you want to send a spreadsheet of. This could be anything from jobs, vendors, employees, bank accounts, etc. You can pick from almost any information in Sage. Next, pick a pre-built condition or create a new one to specify which Sage items will be included in your spreadsheet. Create or customize the condition with the new English-like statements in order to specify what MyAssistant should look for. Click on the Sage field and select what to use in your condition. Next, select what value to compare to the Sage field. You can also compare the values of two Sage fields on the same line. Click the pencil icon after the operand, then choose your second Sage field. Again, click preview at any time to make sure you're getting the information you want. Next, set a schedule of when to automatically send the spreadsheet. Place the Sage fields that you want in the spreadsheet in the notification list. Next, click the Spreadsheet Template button and select Use Notification List. This will create a spreadsheet template that's used to create a spreadsheet when running the task. Make any adjustments when the template opens, like expanding column widths or bolding column headings. Preview the spreadsheet, then save it when you're ready. Conclude by adding recipients and a subject line, then finish task setup and send your spreadsheets. Now, MyAssistant will automatically create and send a spreadsheet whenever the task runs and finds something to send. A common customer request is to automatically send reports. With MyAssistant, you can automatically create and send almost any Sage report. To do this, start by creating a new task and choosing to send a report attached as a PDF. Next, choose when the report should automatically send. Then, to select the report you want, click the Sage Reports button and select your report. Fill out any prompts in the window that opens, remembering that these are the same prompts you'd fill out when running the report from Sage. Finally, add your recipients and a subject line, then finish task setup and send your reports. This process of automatically generating reports ensures that people always have the most current information. Several help resources were added in MyAssistant 22.1. Help icons in the top right of Windows now take you to new, comprehensive help topics based on where you are in the software. This means that you'll get the right help at the right time depending on what you're trying to do. Also, a new user guide is now available in the MyAssistant File Help menu. With MyAssistant 22.1, you can quickly set up new tasks to provide timely, easy-to-consume information, making everyone more productive. Contact your Sage business partner, local consultant, or the MyAssistant documentation to learn more about MyAssistant 22.1.